Alright, let's check out all those little bones in your neck. Oh, you're so good. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, you got me. Oh, I want to get you. There we go. Oh, I got you. No, stay here. You're sliding away from me. You're a nut. Ah. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's good. And then I'm gonna go. What kind of adjustment is that, Dr. Nick? Oh, your shoes? Hug you, okay? Duck hugs? Duck warm hugs? Olaf? Yeah? Okay, you're good. No.
Where are you going, Adrian?
I got you. There we go, right there. I got you.